Hello everyone, welcome to the Salesforce CPQ channel program. Today is my fourth tips and tricks methodology that I am going to discuss about. Let me navigate to my next slide deck. Okay, so in today's topic I am going to discuss about, let's suppose you already have some product options in your bundle product, and whenever you are deleting those product options from the bundle, then you generally used to receive this a custom error validation message popping out, which is called unable to delete the product options because it's already used in your prior codes. So let's suppose one of your admin has already created a one bundle. In that you have a multiple product options, but it is already been used by your sales rep down the line, and then after 6 months you wanted to delete those product options from the bundle. But what Salesforce CPQ does, CPQ generally used to avoid to undelete those product options from the bundle that you have created. So how to tackle that issue? So let me navigate to my actual demo arc so that I can replicate my issue. Then I will be providing you the solution for this particular issue. Okay, let me go back to my product. Okay, so what I did, I have one of my bundle product name called HP Copier Machine 2.0. In this HP Copier Machine, I have one product options called printer paper A4. Let me go back and create one code with the code line item. So I'm going back to my code line editor screen. I'm going to add my HP Copier Machine 2.0. Select this one, choose the product options, click on save. Let me hit the save button. Now what it does, I have just created one code with the copier machine. Okay. Now this HP Copier Machine is my bundle and this is my product options. Let me delete these product options. So let's suppose I do not want to club these product options with the bundle that I have created. Okay, so the moment you are trying to delete this product options from the bundle that you have created, you will be getting this error message called unable to delete the product option because it is already used in prior code. And then how to resolve these issues? What you have to do, you'll have to go back to the setup. Go to the install packages. Click on configure. Go to the code section tab and then select this allow option deletion and hit save button. Now let's try to delete this product option that I wanted to delete. I will go back to my bundle and go to the product option, hit delete button. That's it. So let me repeat myself again what I see. What you have to do, this is the solution. Go to the setup, go to the install packages, configure, select product, configure Salesforce CPQ packages, click on code tab and then allow options delete equal to true. That's it. Thanks for watching my channel, and please if you think this is a good platform to learn the Salesforce CPQ program, please try to share my YouTube channel on your LinkedIn profile, on your Twitter channel, and on your social media network also. Thanks for supporting me.